Changing the language on your iPhone 16 allows you to interact with your device in your preferred language, making navigation and usage more comfortable and intuitive. Here's how it's done. To begin, swipe up from the bottom of the display to get to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Then, tap on Language and Region to proceed. To add a new language that you want to use, tap on Add Language. Scroll through the list or search for your desired language. Tap to select the language you want to add. Finally, tap Use Language. Note that changing the primary language will restart your device to apply the changes. To change the order of your language preferences, touch and hold the 3-line icon next to a language, then drag it to your preferred position. Finally, tap Continue to confirm the change. Your preferred language order will be the primary language at the top, secondary language below, and additional languages following in order of preference. This iPhone feature provides flexibility in using multiple languages, with the primary language determining the interface language while maintaining support for additional languages in various apps. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.